Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that WhiteBridge Network token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing according to the white paper. Overview: WhiteBridge AI agent network is revolutionizing how people data is accessed, verified and analyzed by bridging a global network of people data providers with AI agents to create a global trust layer for pupil data intelligence. At its core, WhiteBridge AI agent transform fragmented online data into actionable insights that empower users to make smarter decisions and build trustworthy connection in the digital world. In an era where digital interactions are increasingly vital, WhiteBridge AI agents network addresses the critical challenges of fragmented and unverified people data. The platform establishes a secure, decentralized system that empowers users to access trustworthy, actionable information. WhiteBridge Network includes more than 30 plus data providers and power over 3.7 million plus searches with across over 3.59 billion people records. It serves a growing user base of more than around 1 lakh individuals across a community of around 170,000 members. The platform has processed millions of records through its query system, generating $3 million in annual recurring revenue, according to website. WhiteBridge Network token or WhiteBridge Network project institution rating is 4.5, and this project audited by Ceritic. WhiteBridge Network token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 356.28 million WBAI token. WBAI token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, MEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.